We're going to Adoption Day at Petopia. It's a busy day in the mall. And here we go. There's Pomeranians here. This is Southern California Pomeranian Rescue. You never know who you're going to see at Petopia. There's Ralph. Ralph, aren't you supposed to be in Orange County?
Yeah, I got lost.
Okay, I get lost too when I end up there. And this little guy laying down. Hi, kitty, kitty. Look at that kitty. And it's the doggy time. Who do we got here? Oh, look at that. That's Fergus. And where's Benny? Hi, Ben. Benny. Hi, Benny. Look at how cute Benny is. Look how cute that little guy is. You gonna go visit? What are you doing? What are you doing, Benny? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Look at that. There's Albert. Charlie Bear. Hi, Charlie. There's Charlie. There's Fergus. And there's Hannah. Hi, Hannah. Hi, Monkey. What are you doing, Monkey? There's Puppy Girl. Oh, there's a Bella spotting. I see Bella at the Petopia Southern California Pomeranian Rescue event. Hi, Bella. She's such a good girl. And there's Duffy and Albert and Debbie. How's the day going today, Debbie?
Actually, it's going very well. Albert's having a really good time.
Hi, Albert.
Albert found the cat food.
Look at Albert.
Did you find the cat food?
He's a happy boy. See, he just needed a little bit of love, huh? And there's Duffy. Hi, Duff. Hi, Duff. Duff. There's Duffy and Albert and Debbie. How's the day going today, Debbie?
Actually, it's going very well. Albert's having a really good time.
Hi, Albert.
Albert found the cat food.
Look at Albert.
Did you find the cat food?
He's a happy boy. See, he just needed a little bit of love, huh? And there's Duffy. Hi, Duff. Hi, Duff. Duff.
Duffy.
Hi, Duffy. Duffy. Look at Duffy. 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 There he goes. There goes Duffy. Hey, Alex. What are you doing in there? Look at that. She's in the cage. Cool. This is what we do at Petopia. We socialize the animals. We even get in the cages with them and make sure that they feel comfortable. Huh, Alex? Yes. Okay. And this looks like it's a very good day at Petopia, and we are signing off.